How to turn on and turn off your firewall in your Windows device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn off and turn on your firewall in your Windows device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step you'll need to do is simply head over to the search bar on your Windows device and search for your Windows security. So let's do that. So search for Windows security and open it up. After you open up your Windows security, you'll find different options. Now for your firewall, you can find it right here on your firewall and network protection. There's also an option that is your for virus and threat protection, but let's head over to firewall and network protection. After you're here, you'll find your networks option. So head over to your public network and there you will see Microsoft Defender Firewall. Now if you want to turn it off, you'll simply have to toggle this button off and give it permission. But I don't recommend you guys turning off your firewall, but if you must do it, simply turn this off and give it permission. And also simply come back right here and turn it on. And with that, you'll have turned on your firewall. And it's basically that simple. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and if you guys are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.